Just look at it. If presence had a physical form, it would look exactly like this. Welcome back to the MotorLuxe, where we bring you the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury. Today we are stepping straight into the future. This is the all-new, completely redesigned 2027 BMW X7. For years, the X7 has been the undisputed king of three-row luxury SUVs. But for 2027, BMW didn't just update it, they completely rewrote the rules of the game. It's bolder, smarter, and more menacing than ever before. If you think the Mercedes GLS or the Range Rover can sleep easy tonight, think again. Let's find out why the 2027 X7 is the ultimate rolling palace. Let's start with the exterior, because you literally cannot miss it. BMW has taken their modern design language into a whole new dimension. Up front, the iconic kidney grille is now even more beautifully integrated, featuring a subtle, ambient, iconic glow that looks absolutely lethal at dusk. The split headlight design from previous years has evolved into these razor-thin, crystalline matrix LEDs that give the X7 a sharp, predatory stare. Moving down the side, the silhouette is pure authority. It's massive, yet the aerodynamic lines make it look like it's moving, even when it's parked. And check out these wheels. 23-inch individual light alloy rims that fill out the arches perfectly. At the back, the changes are subtle but sophisticated. The 3D taillights have an incredible depth to them, connected by a sleek chrome bar beneath the glass. It doesn't just look expensive, it looks like a fortress on wheels. Alright, let's step inside, because this is where the MotorLuxe experience truly begins. Welcome to first class. BMW has completely overhauled this cabin. The first thing that hits you is the massive, seamless curved display running the latest iDrive system. It's blazingly fast, hyper-intuitive, and features augmented reality navigation that projects directions right onto the road ahead of you. Every single surface is wrapped in premium merino leather, open-pore exotic wood, or real carbon fiber. And look at the center console. The crystal gear selector and iDrive controller look like fine jewelry. But the real magic is in the second row. If you opt for the captain's chairs, you get executive-level comfort. We're talking heating, ventilation, intense massage programs, and even pillow-soft Alcantara headrests. Plus, the Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof spans across all three rows, illuminating the cabin with thousands of LED light points at night. It's like sitting under your own personal star system. Now, a luxury SUV is nothing without power, and BMW delivers an iron fist in a velvet glove. Under the hood of the xDrive 40i is a refined 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, paired with a next-gen 48-volt mild hybrid system. It pushes out a whopping 380 horsepower, but if you have a serious addiction to speed, you step up to the M60i, packing a twin-turbo V8, pumping out a massive 523 horsepower. 0 to 60 in a vehicle this size happens in just over 4 seconds. That is sports car territory, wrapped in a heavy three-row SUV. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to the standard 2-axle adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization, the X7 glides over potholes like they don't even exist. Yet, when you throw it into a corner, it completely defies physics. It handles with the agility of a vehicle half its size. It's pure driving bliss. On the tech front, the 2027 X7 is basically a supercomputer on wheels. BMW's latest highway assistant now allows for true hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on compatible highways. Just sit back, relax, and let the X7 do the heavy lifting. It even changes lanes automatically just by looking at the side mirror. Yes, you heard that right. I activated lane changes. And for the audiophiles out there, the available 20-speaker Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system turns this cabin into a live concert hall. The clarity is absolutely breathtaking. So, what's the verdict? The 2027 BMW X7 isn't just an SUV, it's a massive statement. It tells the world you've arrived, and you arrived in style. It flawlessly blends insane performance, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched luxury into one beautiful package. Starting at around $85,000 for the base, and pushing well over $110,000 for the V8, it's a serious investment. But for the ultimate luxury family hauler, it is worth every single penny. But hey, what do you think? Does the 2027 X7 crush the competition, or would you spend your money on a Range Rover? Drop a comment down below. We want to know your thoughts. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the MotorLuxe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of pure automotive luxury. Until next time, keep driving in style.